viewers, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am going to explain you the remaining part of exercise 4.5, that is the sixth question. You can see over here, write following cubes in expanded form. Okay, so here the first question is 2x plus 1 the whole cube. So this is in the form of x plus y the whole cube will be is equals to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. Okay, so now you can see over here, in place of x here 2x is there and in place of y here 1 is there, right? So just substitute the values of this over here. So in place of x 2x and in place of y 1. Okay, so 2x plus 1 the whole cube will be is equals to 2x the whole cube plus 1 the whole cube plus 3 into 2x into 1 into 2x plus 1. Okay, so in place of x I substituted the value as 2x and in place of y I substituted the value as 1. Okay, so now the next thing is what here, you have to go for the simplification. See here, 2x the whole cube, 2 cube in the sense 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 again, right? So 8x cube plus 1 cube in the sense 1 plus 3 2s are 6 x as it is. Okay, so 2x plus 1. So this will be is equals to 8x cube plus 1 plus 6 2s are 12. X into x is nothing but x square plus 6x into 1 is nothing but here 6x. So this will be is equals to 8x cube plus 1 plus 12x square plus 6x. So this is your final answer. Okay, so now we'll move on to the next question, that is 2a minus 3b the whole cube. Okay, so now you can see over here, this is also in the form of x minus y the whole cube. Yes, so here you can see x minus y the whole cube. Okay, so this was in the form of x plus y the whole cube. So now this is in the form of x minus y the whole cube. So that will be is equals to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. Okay, so now in place of x here 2a and in place of y here 3b, you have to substitute this value over here, 2a minus 3b the whole cube. So that will be is equals to 2a the whole cube minus 3b the whole cube minus 3 into 2a into 3b into 2a minus 3b. So the thing is what you have to substitute the value of, in place of x you have to substitute 2a and in place of y you have to substitute 3b over here. Okay, so this will be is equals to 2a the whole cube in the sense 8a cube minus, so 3b the whole cube, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27b cube minus 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18ab into 2a minus 3b. So now just split this or just open this bracket. So this will be is equals to 8a cube minus 27b cube minus 18 2s are 36 a square b. So here you can see a 2 times, so a square b as it is. So here minus into minus is plus, so 18 3s are 54. So here you can see over here only one a is there and here b is 2 times. So for that sake 54 ab square. Okay, so the third question we will see now. The third question here is that is 3 by 2x plus 1 the whole cube. Okay, so now you can see that is, this is in the form of again x plus y the whole cube. That will be is equals to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. So this will be is equals to, now in place of x here 3 by 2x and in place of y here 1 is there, right? So that you have to substitute. So 3 by 2x plus 1 the whole cube will be is equals to 3 by 2 the x the whole cube plus 1 the whole cube plus 3 into 3 by 2x into 1 into 3 by 2x plus 1. Okay, so this will be is equals to, so now you can see over here 3 by 2 the whole cube, in the sense 3 cube divided by 2 cube, isn't it? 3 cube means nothing but 27 and 2 cube means nothing but here 8 x cube as it is, plus 1 cube in the sense 1 plus 3 into 3 is 9 divided by 2x multiplied by 1, same thing you are going to get, into 3 by 2x plus 1. So 27 by 8 x cube plus 1 plus, so now here you can see 9 3s are 27, 2 2s are 4. So multiply numerator to the numerator, denominator to the denominator. Okay, x into x is nothing but x square plus 9 by 2x into 1, that is 9 by 2x. Okay, so now the next question here is fourth one, that is x minus 2 by 3 y whole cube. Okay, so here what you can see, what you can write over here, this is in the form of x minus y the whole cube is equals to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. Okay, so here in place of x, here x is there, and in place of y here 2 by 3 y is there, right? So just go and substitute the value, x minus 2 by 3 y the whole cube, x cube minus 2 by 3 the whole cube minus 3 into x into 2 by 3y into x minus 2 by 3y. Okay, so simplify this, x cube as it is minus 2 cube divided by 3 cube, that is 8 divided by 27 y cube as it is. So 3 and 3 will get cancelled. What is remaining here? Minus 2xy into x minus 2 by 3y. So this will be is equals to x cube minus 8 by 27 y cube. So here you can see minus 2 into this first term into this one, right? So 2 into so now here you can see 2xy into x is there, right? So here x 2 times, right? For that sake x square y as it is. So minus into minus is plus, 2 into 2 is nothing but 4, and x only one time, y 2 times, you can see y square. So in the denominator 3 is there as it is. Okay, so this is your final answer. Okay, so now we'll move on to the next question. Okay, so evaluate the following using suitable identities. Okay, so now see here 99 the whole cube is there, right? So what you have to do over here, is you can write this 99 as 100 minus 1, isn't it? So 100 minus 1 the whole cube. Okay, so now you can see, you can easily judge that this is in the form of which identity now? X minus y the whole cube is equals to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y, isn't it? So now what you have to do, just substitute the values of x and y over here. So you can see in place of x 100 and in place of y here 1 is there. So 100 the whole cube minus 1 the whole cube minus 3 into 100 into 1 into 100 minus 1. So this will be is equals to 100 the whole cube, in the sense you can see 3 times you have to write 1 2. So 100 the whole cube, you can see here 10 lakh. Okay, so minus 1 the whole cube is nothing but 1, minus 3 into 100 is 300, and 100 minus 1 99. So this will be is equals to minus 1 minus, when you multiply this, you are going to get 29,700. So this will be is equals to 9,70,299. So when you will subtract this, you are going to get this answer. Okay, so the next thing is what here? Next question, we'll see 102 the whole cube. Okay, so you can see here 102 the whole cube. So 102 can be written as 100 plus 2 the whole cube. Okay, so this is in the form of now x plus y the whole cube identity. So this can be written as x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. Okay, so now in place of x here 100 and in place of y here 2. So this will be is equals to 100 the whole cube plus 2 the whole cube plus 3 into 100 into y into 100 plus 2. So this will be is equals to, again the same thing. So here you can see 100 the whole cube, right? So here also the same thing you have to do, plus 2 the whole cube is nothing but 8 plus 3 into 100 is nothing but 300, right? So 3 into 100 is here 300. So after that you can see here 300 into 2 is nothing but 600 into 102. Okay, so now this will be is equals to plus 8 plus 600 into 102 is nothing but 61,200. Okay, so now what you can write, this will be is equals to, when you add this, you are going to get 10,61,208. Okay, so the third question we will see. So now you can see here 10 lakh plus 8. So 10 lakh 8 plus 61,200. When you add this, you are going to get 10,61,208. Okay, so the third question we will see now. 998 the whole cube. Okay, so now this can be written as 1000 minus 2 the whole cube. So this is in the form of x minus y the whole cube. Okay, so this will be is equals to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. So here you can see 1000 minus 2 the whole cube will be is equals to 1000 the whole cube minus 2 the whole cube minus 3 into 1000 into 2, 1000 minus 2. So this will be is equals to, so here you can see 3 times you have to write, that will be 100 crores, right? So minus 8 minus 3000 into 2 is nothing but 6000. So here you can write 998. So this can be written as, again, 100 crores minus 8 minus 6000 into 998. When you multiply this, you are going to get 59,88,000. Okay, so just multiply this 6000 and 998. I have written here directly. Just multiply and see whether you are getting the same answer or no. Okay, so 59 88,000. When you multiply this 6,000 into 998, you're going to get here 59,88,000. Okay, so just do one thing. So from 100 crore, just subtract this 8. Okay, so after doing this, just subtract this 59,88,000. You're going to get finally 99 crore 40 lakh 11,992. Okay, so just subtract this afterwards. Whatever you are getting, just take that answer and again subtract this 59 lakh 88,000 from this answer. Okay, so finally you are going to get over here 99 crore 40 lakh 11,992. Okay, so now we'll move on to the next question, that is factorize each of the following. So in next question, factorize each of the following: 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. Okay, so these kind of the terms will come, means it may be x plus y the whole cube identity, or it may be x minus y cube y the whole cube identity. Okay, so now here you can see all the signs are plus over here, so you can choose x plus y the whole cube identity. So before going to start this problem, let me tell you this identity x plus y the whole cube can be written as x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y, right? So this can be rewrite as x cube plus y cube plus, when you multiply this 3xy into x, you're going to get 3x 2 times, for that sake 3x square y plus, so here you can see y 2 times, right? So 3xy square. Okay, so now what you have to do, you have to check whether this question, whatever they have given over here, this is in the form of this or no. So after writing this into this generalized form, then you have to bring it back to the left hand side of this, because here they have given factorize. So you have to find the factors of this question. Okay, so what you have to do now, I told you. So this given question can be written as 8a cube. Yes, so 8 is the perfect cube of which number? Not square. So perfect cube of which number? 2, right? So 2a the whole cube, it can be written as 2a the whole cube plus, so next thing is what? Y cube, right? So here no numbers, for that sake b the whole cube plus, so here the next thing is what? 3 into, yes, so here in this identity you can see 3 into x square into y. So 3 into, so in place of x here which number is there? 2a, right? 2a square into, in place of y here b is there, right? So for that sake b plus 3 into, in place of x here again 2a, and in place of y here again b square. Okay, so now you can see here, this is in the form of this identity, isn't it? So you can write at last, see, this you have to bring it to the left hand side, right? So you can write here, in place of x which term is there over here? 2a, and in place of y here which term is there? b. So 2a plus b the whole cube. Okay, so similarly you have to solve for the next one. We'll go to the next one now. So second question is 8a cube minus b cube minus 12a square b plus 6ab square. Okay, so now in previous question you saw that all the signs were like positive signs, right? Plus, so here you can see minus sign came. So what you have to do, it may be like x minus y the whole cube identity. You have to guess that this is in the form of x minus y the whole cube identity. Okay, so what you have to do now again, so I'm going to tell you that before going to start this problem again, x minus y the whole cube can be written as x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y, right? So this can be rewrite as x cube minus y cube minus 3 into, here you can see x square y, so minus into minus is plus 3xy square. Okay, so this identity can be written as like this. Okay, so what you have to do now, you have to simplify question. Again you have to write that 2a the whole cube minus b cube minus, so 3 into, in place of x here 2a the whole square, in place of y here b plus 3 into 2a into b square. So this will be is equals to. So now here you can see this is like x and this is b. So this is in the form of like this identity now, right? So what you have, you can write this as 2a minus, in place of y here b, so 2a minus b the whole cube. So this is your answer. So the next question here is third one, that is 27 minus 125a cube minus 135a plus 225a square. Okay, so here also you can write this identity x minus y the whole cube will be is equals to, directly I am going to write this identity now, x cube minus y cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square. Okay, so just you have to verify whether this is in the form of this or no. Okay, so you have to convert this in the form of this. Okay, so after converting this, you can write that this one into this identity form. Okay, so what you have to do now, you have to go for this, that will be is equals to, so 27 can be written as 3 the whole cube, isn't it? Because 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, right? So minus, so here you can see 125 is the perfect cube of which number? So it is the perfect cube of the number 5. That means 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. So for that sake 5a the whole cube minus, so now here you can see here 3 into x means 3 and y means here 5a plus 3 into x means here 3 and y means here 5a. So this can be written as, so see here, now you can see this is in the form of this identity, right? So you can easily write the left hand side of this identity now. So this can be written as x is nothing but 3 here and y is nothing but here 5. So for that sake the answer is 3 minus 5a the whole cube. So at last what you can write here, the three factors are there totally, 3 minus 5a, 3 minus 5a into 3 minus 5a. So 3 factors. Fourth question, that is 64a cube minus 27b cube minus 144a square b plus 108 ab square. So this can be written as, again I am going to write this identity now, x minus y the whole cube is equals to x cube minus y cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square. So we know that, yes. So this will be is equals to, so 64a cube, right? So 64 is the perfect cube of which number? So 4. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. Okay, so what you can write over here, 4a the whole cube minus 3b the whole cube, because 27 is the perfect cube of 3. Okay, so minus 3 into 4a the whole square into 3b plus 3 into x means here 4a and y means here 3b. So 3b the whole square. So this will be is equals to, so now you can easily write, or this is in the form of now right hand side of this identity, right? So you can convert this easily into the left hand side of this identity. That means you can write that 4a minus 3b the whole cube. So this can be written as 4a minus 3b into 4a minus 3b into 4a minus 3b, totally 3 factors. Okay, so the fifth one is nothing but here 27p cube minus 1 by 216 minus 9 by 2p p square plus 1 by 4p. So first we'll write this identity, that is x minus y the whole cube, that will be is equals to x cube minus y cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square. Okay, so now you can write this as 27p cube, right? So 3p the whole cube, because 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, minus 1 divided by, so 6, 216 is the perfect cube of the number 6. That means 6 6 are 36, 36 6 are 216. Okay, so 216, that means 6, 1 by 6 the whole cube, minus 3 into, in place of x here 3p, and in place of y here by 6, plus 3 into x is nothing but 3p, and y square is nothing but 1 by 6 the whole square. So now you can easily write this as, in place of x here 3p is there, and in place of y here 1 by 6 is there. So you can easily write this can be in the form of 3p minus 1 by 6 the whole cube. So this can be rewrite as 3p minus 1 by 6 into 3p minus 1 by 6 into 3p minus 1 by 6. Why? Because 3p minus 1 by 6 the whole cube. Whole cube means 3 times you have to multiply the same numbers. Okay, so this is your last question from 8th main. Okay, so we'll move on to the next one now. See your next question. Verify. First question is x cube plus y cube is equals to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. So you have to verify, or you have to show that this x cube plus y cube is equals to this thing. Okay, so what you have to do in order to verify, or in order to show this, first you have to consider right hand side of this question, that is x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Okay, so now you know the multiplication of this. Yes, so what you can do here, x, first consider this one term x and multiply to all this term. Okay, so x into x square, x into minus xy, x into plus y square. The next step is what? You have to take this second term and you have to multiply the first term, that is x square, y into minus xy and y into y square. So first we will check x into x square. Okay, so x into, we'll write now, okay, x into this whole bracket plus y square. So here the second term is plus y, right? So plus y into this whole bracket, x square minus xy plus y square. So this will be is equals to x into x square is nothing but x cube minus, so here you can see x into x is x square, y as it is, plus x into y square is nothing but xy square, plus y into x square is nothing but yx square. So plus into minus is minus, x as it is, y into y is y square plus y cube. Okay, so y into y square is nothing but here y cube. So this will be is equals to, so now here you can see plus x square y minus x square y. So this can be cancelled. Okay, so xy square plus xy square minus xy square. So this will get cancelled. So what is remaining? X cube minus x cube plus y cube. So this is your LHS, left hand side of this question. Okay, so now we'll move on to the next question, that is you have to verify x cube minus y cube is equals to x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. Okay, here also the same thing you have to do. Consider right hand side of this question. So this will be is equals to x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. So here what you can write, this can be written as x into the first term into the whole bracket, and the second term, that is minus y into the whole bracket, xy plus y square. So this will be is equals to, just multiply this, x into x square is x cube plus x into xy is nothing but x square y plus x into y square is nothing but xy square. So minus yx square plus into minus is minus xy square. So minus into plus is nothing but minus y cube. So here also the same thing, x square y will get cancelled, xy square will get cancelled. So what is remaining? X cube minus y cube. So this is your left hand side of this question. So this is the proof. Okay, so thank you for watching my video. So for the next video, just subscribe my channel and press the bell icon in order to receive the notifications for my upcoming videos.